Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing and review of New Republic Skream 2 Bluetooth speaker. Let's take a look at the box before unboxing it. On the front side we have the product image and the branding. Moving on to the side, they provided some features here. You can pause the video if you wish to read them. Now let's move on to the back side. On the back they provided some more features here. You can pause the video again if you wish to read them. On the side they provided some importer information and MRP. I got it on Amazon for 2500. I'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Do check it out. Now let's get into the unboxing. Speaker was protected really well with some foam paddings on top. Now let's take the speaker out of the box. The speaker was inside a plastic cover. Let's take it out of it. So now, let's keep the speaker aside and let's see what's more inside the box, and after that we'll take a look at it. They provided a micro USB cable for charging the speaker. The cable seems pretty good in terms of quality and length. Now let's keep this aside and let's see what else is inside the package. They also provided a 3.5mm aux cable so that we can use the speaker in wired mode as well. An user manual is also provided with the box. You can pause the video if you wish to read the details, or you can just skip the video by 10 seconds. Now we'll keep this aside and let's take a look at the speaker. So here's the speaker. Now let's take a closer look at it, and after that we'll see how it performs. On the front side we have the speaker grills and the New Republic branding. Moving on to the top, we have a power button and a play or pause button and a button for changing the playback from aux to Bluetooth and TF card, etc. And we also have the audio control buttons. The button seems pretty good in terms of quality and it feels really nice in hands. Now let's move on to the sides of the speaker. On the left side we have a carrying hook which is attached to the speaker. The carrying hook seems pretty good in terms of quality. You can remove it if you don't want to use it, but it's an useful accessory if you want to hang the speakers anywhere. And you can dock the carrying hook on the speaker itself. Now let's move on to the next side of the speaker. On the next side it says please seal up while in water. The speaker is completely waterproof so that you can use the speaker underwater without any issues. The ports are sealed perfectly to avoid any water damage. Inside the seal we have a micro USB charging port, an aux port and a TF card slot. Now I'll connect my phone and will play an audio track for you so that you can get an idea of the sound quality. Now I'm gonna power this up and connect my phone. Let me show you how to connect the phone with the speaker. We have to press the power button until a blue light flashes on the top of the speaker. So now it's on the pairing mode. You can find it on your Bluetooth devices. It's named as NUBT700. It connects instantly within seconds. So now let me just play an audio track for you. That was amazing. The speaker does sound great even in a big room of 200 square feet. The sound quality is really good in my opinion. The bass is punchy and clear even at the highest volume levels. I won't be able to tell you much about the sound quality just by using the speaker for about 5 minutes, so I'll continue the video after using it for some time. So here we are after a month. I have been using the speaker for quite some time now. The sound quality is really amazing as I said earlier. The bass is punchy and amazing, but the treble felt a bit undermined by the bass. The sound output is crisp and clear in normal volume, but I noticed a slight distortion in the highest volume. It may not be noticeable by everyone, but if you observe closely, you can find out. Other than these minor issues, the speaker is good. The best thing about the speaker is that it's build quality. I have used the speaker rigorously for more than a month now. I have dropped it several times, sometimes even in water. Even after all this, the speaker has no damages and looks like new. Finally, we are here at the end of the review. I wouldn't say that this is the best Bluetooth speaker you can get under 2000 rupees. But this is one of the best choice if you're looking for a durable speaker for your travel companion. That's all I have to say guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.